Good day, my name is Brian Stevens, Commercial Director here at Appliance Traders Ltd. And we're excited to be a partner and sponsor of the Jamaica Observer Design Week. We'll be introducing as well a new category of premium household appliances from brands such as Z-Line, True Residential, Sub-Zero, and Frigidaire Professional. These are brands that represent professionalism, craftsmanship, and design excellence. Under the banner of Atl Luxe, we are creating a new standard of luxury living. Our vision is simple yet bold. We are positioning Atl as Jamaica's premier household appliance brand.
Building on what Design Week is and what Atl Luxe represents, we're excited to share that in celebration of Design Week, customers who purchase a full suite of products from any of the 4 brands will enjoy an exclusive introductory offer of 15% off. Yes, 15% off.
We're not just selling appliances, we're creating aspirational lifestyle built on prestige, craftsmanship, and personalized services, catering to homeowners who appreciate exceptional quality and the best in service. Also, we'll be catering to architects, designers, and developers. These are professionals who are building some of our most beautiful homes. When you own an Atl Luxe affiliated brand, it's more than just a purchase. It's a mark of distinction.
Happy Design Week!